Helen Barbara Akalo na lem eyait nois napini kinitungalu au misho nges ebalebe angetaki eriongete nuke kilipite apuganda do aikamarikanen.
Mabone poneli ya bitoto nyelu ile maji ngaraki apugani kesi. Ngaraki si 235 children times 30 iron sheets. How many iron sheets are those? Then the 22 CAF members times 30 iron sheets. How many iron sheets are those?
Ronald Kedi Ongodia atupitoni RDC kwa Muria nges abalebe ekoto itungalu aisach aomomono apotu kisoma ikinos kesi kokitui kosodete aisishaun aijar kwa itunga kaluchie.
I want to encourage my brothers and sisters or our sons who are abducted by con to say that you have a new chapter. The Bible says, forget about what the past, behold what the new has come. Therefore, we came from a book of lamentation to a book of what? The book of rejoicing. In the book of lamentation, the book of Ecclesiastes, the Bible says that there is time for everything. Time for cry, time for pain, time for suffering, but time for joy has come.
John Robert Ekongot Losek Arai Apolone Cholong Loe District Aloko Katakwi Loda Agwe Kinit Atupitone President Kwasubana Kanu Yes Abu Kisiala Miki Fida Kanu Aigang Itungalu Abu Kilip Emedaonak Aswam Kagogong Okalia Kej.
Our people, it's time to work. There is security, there is peace, there are skills that are going to be given. And indeed, as the RDC put it again, but also I want to add to what the trainer was saying. We want to say thank you so much for taking this young people through all this. Thank you so much. If I can say in the local language, Ihalama sio noine kumakuga.
Eyatakitida boni ebe epote itunga luda ai medown kwa inapetanu apugan kwape itunga kaluchie.
I also had messages like saying, do for us this, do for us this, do for us this. I think the message from the Vice President, excellent the Vice President, is we do not intend as government to do something which is special for you. Instead, we want to integrate you to be part of the whole Uganda. That should have been the message from the mindset training. We want you back. And by my presence, you'll become the Vice President. It's an invitation. We are calling you to get back and be part of the rest of national development of Uganda.
Emedauna ko project kalo kes esiala mikisi fida kano aiganga kesi.
Konye eyalama ngono ibere neja ifida. Nunarai enya kubere fida nga umiso age na lom na fida so balang. Esibere bo sipokoso.
A project ibo nguso ne lo fida ne so buija uso. Bu fida ngara kaso ket borole po enati so yalama. Enati nga yalama yon kape Michael.